In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping cost on your Wix site. First, sign into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the site you want to update. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps the core options that control how your site works, including store and delivery settings. If you run an online shop, this is the area you'll come back to whenever you need to adjust how customers place orders and how those orders are fulfilled. From Settings, click on Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. This section is where you manage the locations you ship to and the rates customers will see at checkout. It's important to set this up carefully because your shipping settings affect both the customer experience and your final profit on each order. Next, click Add Region. Here, choose the countries or locations you want to deliver to. This step lets you define exactly where your shipping rule will apply. After selecting your region, click Continue and then choose Shipping. This tells Wix that you want to create a shipping setup for those selected locations. Now you will choose the calculation method for your shipping cost. Click Add Rate, or use the calculation method drop-down menu to select the option that fits your store best. You can choose a flat rate if you want to charge a fixed shipping cost per order or per item. This is often the simplest option and works well if your products are similar in size or shipping cost. You can also choose rate by weight, price, or quantity if you want shipping charges to adjust based on what's in the customer's cart. This is useful for stores with a wider range of product sizes or order values. Another option is free shipping, which can be a great way to encourage more sales. If you want, you can even require a minimum purchase amount before free shipping applies. After that, configure the checkout details. Add a name that customers will see at checkout, such as standard shipping, and then enter the rate, which is the amount your customer will pay. Make sure the name is clear and easy to understand, so here is no confusion during checkout. You can also set an estimated delivery time. This part is optional, but it's very helpful because it gives customers an idea of when their order should arrive, which can increase trust and reduce follow-up questions. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the new shipping costs to your checkout process. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.